I say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to KeneishaSays. You can hear the raspiness in my voice. 1, I just woke up, and for 2, I am sick. I'm coming on with something, or I've been coming on with something since last week. Today's Monday, since around Wednesday. I went to work and just had to work. I couldn't call out. I just had to do what I gotta do. But I'm still, like, my throat hurts, and you can feel like it feels like something inside. Like, I feel like a cat wanting to, you know, like a fur ball is down there and needs to come up. That's how it feels. Before, my head was hurting. I was congested. Right now I'm still a little bit congested, but my head is not hurting that much. And yeah, I don't even know how to explain. I just don't feel good. But that is not what this video is about. And my energy will be kicking up very soon, so don't worry about the energy. Don't worry about the energy, baby. We will be getting into the mood, okay? Because today is a very special video, okay? You already see the title. As a matter of fact, I don't know if it was not the title, because I want to think. I want to come watch it. Guys, we're going to go on the road today. We're going to do some vacation shopping. I mean, I whisper this because nobody in the house know except for Troy. Well, the kids don't know. Just TJ know, but not the kids. They know that we're going on vacation, but they don't know where. And today, we all are going to go on the road to get some last minute stuff to pack, right? To make sure we get everything. You see how we brought down nails and pop off. Here one do is a reason for that, because I know we're going to go on vacation and I didn't want to do it 2 weeks ago. I know I have to go get it done again because girl don't have it. I do not have it. I do not have it. Okay, so we're going to go to a whole bunch of places today. It's early. It's 6:15. I've been up since like 5 o'clock. I don't know why I'm waking up so early. So I'm whispering because nobody's up right now and I'm downstairs in my office, right? I'm going to show you the state of my office. It's a disgrace. It's a disgrace. But I'm going to go through all of them. So if it's said, we're going to Target, Walmart, hair store, the mall. We're going everywhere today. We're going shopping, and it's something that we don't have. We don't have no money, but we're going shopping. With the help of God, we shall survive and we shall get everything we need. You understand? Where are you going, Keneisha? You chat too much. Where are you going? Where are you going for vacation? We're going to Jamaica. We're going to Jamaica. But nobody know. Nobody don't know. And yeah, Keneisha, why you doing this video? You're talk about you think everybody don't know by now. No, because when I see it, we're already there. When you see this video, we're already home. We're already home. Everybody's going down this year. Everybody. My mommy don't know, but I'll surprise Amanda. Come on, I go and ask her she can't get surprised. I go surprise Amanda. My big sister, she's going down. She should be going down this week from Florida. So she got surprise them first, and then we're just so dropping after that. Yeah. So it's gonna be a whole bag of excitement, and I'm so excited. I'm taking my daughter-in-law for the first time. She's gonna go to Jamaica for the first time as well. So that's gonna be exciting. So I don't know, so we don't have a whole bag of fun. I don't have to come along. You don't know, I'm gonna be right there with us, right? Yeah, so let me show you the state of my office right now. I can't really talk much louder, to be honest. But just know I'm happy. Girl, happy catch you. Who would love me? This is not acceptable. Not acceptable. Stop it. I'm face a breakout. Anyhow, let me share the state of my office. Guys, this is what's going on right now. Don't watch your garbage. This is what's going on right now, right? It's on my foot. On my foot, that's. So in here you have bags and the hair wigs and stuff like that. You have more clothes that come recently from Shein and all these good things. And I think you'll be seeing these in the haul. Except for some of them will just come the other day and I'll go see them. They come never do it often. These over here so are suitcases that can't be closed, so I'm getting another one of this suitcase. So I'm going to be carrying 3 suitcases. Yes guys, 3 suitcases. These are Tavania's stuff. I was gonna have her bring these 2 suitcases. That Tristan old suitcase I'm gonna have from a long time is that Tavania own, but them can't hold. So I'm gonna give Tavania my rose pink carry-on along with this one, because we're spending like almost 3 weeks, so we're gonna need all the clothes we can get, plus we're carrying things for people, so you know where that goes. Let's see all that craziness. Upstairs not as bad. So what we'll be doing today is I'm gonna actually be making my notes. I came down here to charge up my batteries because you know, so the battery them love dead up on something kind of not about themselves. Yes, tear up, good. So I'm down here to kind of just make a note as to all the things that we need. I just got a box from Amazon yesterday for all of my my re-up stuff, you know, my subscription that I have with them. So I want to see everything that came, and then just make a list as to all the different places that we need to go and all the different things that we need to get, because it's gonna be an all-day thing on the road, especially with everybody on the road. You know, it's gonna be hectic, miserable. And the reason I'm doing this intro right now is because Mr. Man is gonna come. Yeah, hubby is gonna be there, obviously. And you know I'm saying with the camera. And I'm hoping that he doesn't piss me off today for me to stop recording, because him always do that. I'm not understand some people, girl I try to make up money, girl I try to do a hustle, and just feel like the baby and have to record everything. But that's what the people want to see. They want to see everything. Everybody wants to see everything, don't it? So we don't record everything today. Yeah, we're gonna do a shopping spree. That's what we're gonna do. But anywho, guys, I will check back in with you guys when we are ready to go on the road. Okay? Alright, bye. Okay guys, many hours later. It's now after 11, almost 11:30, and we are heading through the door. So we'll see you. The first place we're gonna go is at CVS, so I'll see you there. Alright guys, so we're here at CVS. Well, everybody has another car, and one of the main reasons for me to be here is because I need to pick up a prescription, and I want to see if they have any of the shower caps in here too. Oh, something going off. Alright, let's see. Alright guys, so the package is secured. I wanted some fish oil too. I normally didn't have fish oil 2 for 1. I actually have it. Buy one, get 150% off. So I'm gonna pick up 2 of this. And let's see if they have the shower caps. Alright, shower caps. So they have this one. Oh, this is sleeping cap. No, that's. Instead, I think we're gonna do. We're gonna have glitter. This is pretty. Do I extra large? This is nice, but it's extra large. Oh, enough for big. Oh, so the shortcut in there is a $5. Alright, this is $3. Get 3 of these. This is cute. Lace, but we don't want no lace. Let's stick to this. These are pink up here. This is a regular one. Let's see if they have the simple thing. The body, face wipes. Fuck. May look up my face really quick. I remember that I have simple over here. So let's see. They don't have. Yeah, the simple ones, but they don't have the wipes in it. So I definitely have to go Target for this. Alright, let's go. Let's go cash. Oh, sorry. Alright guys, so we're in Burlington. We're gonna look over the kids section, see if we can find anything for, not necessarily for you, because you already have a whole bunch of stuff that I purchased from Shein for you. But let's see.
You only got 6 for me to go.
You got a lot of stuff to find here. So let's see what they have over this side. Do I get one cards, you know? This is their size over here, so. No, over here, so. I need a shoes for Tristan. I need a church shoes for Tristan. Tristan is size 4. This is cute. It's not regular church for Tristan. I have this in a black. I like this. What is this? $19.99. I like this. This and this. Which one better? Which one you like better, baby? Out of this or this? Which one?
I time to me?
Yes. Which one you like? Out of this one or this one?
This one.
This one?
Yeah.
I'll make sure Stan choose. Need a cart.
Have you ever found a cart?
No, I don't want you to go by yourself.
Come on.
I'll make him choose between these two.
Then get the cart and get the lamp.
That's some of the card already, so. Oh, something in there. Alright, come let's say to me. Guys, no, I need no bag. Come on, let's say to me. And nice like a black bag.
Got that clean and beautiful cart.
Oh, nice. So I'm gonna get that for mommy. I have no beach bag.
Beep, beep.
Beep, 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 beep. There's the socks over here, so. I want a pair of socks. Let's get this pack right here.
Daddy, slip on for me. Is this my size?
Yes, it's your size, yeah.
Yeah, but can I have it?
Go ahead.
I'm going to keep these forever. This is my thing. They all look. Does this slippers look cute?
They do look cute. I hope they're comfy. You want to take out your foot and try them on since you have on a flip flop?
Yeah. Well, we're going to
Just
change.
put it on the ground. Just one foot. Go, 2 of them. That big, mommy.
But they are still comfy.
Let's see if we can find a smaller size.
Because these are.
Don't step on the dirty ground, Tabania.
Sorry, Mama. Because.
Maybe we can find it in the kids section.
Yeah.
That's too big. Luckily we tried it.
Luckily.
Yeah. Hold on, let's see if we can find socks for Tristan.
Got all the stuff for Tristan in this cart.
Look, it's a woman.
That was the only thing I wanted.
Oh my goodness.
Don't cry me, Missy. Oh, Mama!
That's a pair of woman and socks. Yes, baby?
Look!
What?
Look at this!
Way too big, mommy.
I'm talking about they both got X's on it.
Oh, okay.
And
Alright, let's go.
I want to go look for Tristan's daddy.
Panty for Tavana. Tavana needs some panty for you. 40. We need some.
I see him. I'm going to go look.
Ask him which one I shoes. I mean, like. One of my outfits are. It's a size 4. 30, 40, 50. Size 4. No, Hello Kitty panty. It's a 12.
Mama,
Yeah?
he likes this one.
Okay, so we're gonna put like the other one. We're gonna put this up here.
Back with the car.
I need birds there too. I need bra.
I put the cut
Yes,
for
we
you
have
because
all
you're
of
on video. We're doing a video.
All it is right now, so we're gonna go cash it out and then we're gonna head to Marshall. We're going up that way, baby.
Alright, because it's two
Going
cars.
that, just go that way.
That car will go this.
Alright, so once the shopping done, other ones to go.
Just that is
Careful.
that is still
Hold on, this is
shopping.
okay. We try it this way.
Like they're acting like they still shopping.
Yeah.
And mother, come here.
More of this right here, so. This, definitely need to get one of this for you too, you know.
No, I don't want those.
Because this is when you're washing your face, you put that on your wrist. So that you know how you always have the water on your hand.
It's not, but mom want one of these.
Come,
Mom want those.
you don't need this. We're not allowed on this, sir. So guys, really full. Oh sorry, but I did for hungry. So
we just ate McDonald's.
Yeah, we did. Say hello to the vlog, Tristan.
Hello. Big bag. Big bag. Big bag.
Alright, so we spent $300 on something at Burlington. We have to double check that because that's not sound right. But that's my bad so much something. Then we stopped, the kids instead of hungry, media did. My idea hurt me. So we stopped at McDonald's. Yeah, we got some food and something. And now we're at the bank, so try going and get something there at the bank. We're gonna leave here and we're gonna go to Target and go to Marshall's, and then we're gonna go to the mall. I don't know why I needed to get some baby stuff for my girlfriend. I don't know why I didn't get it in Burlington. That totally slipped me. But I think I'm gonna try that at Marshall's. If not, then we're gonna have to go to Carter's. I'm gonna want to get to Carter's because Carter's. Oh, we gotta go Walmart. We can get to Walmart. Let's see. But to be honest, we got most of what I needed for Tristan at Burlington just now. So okay. So anywho, we are gonna. I'll show you guys when I'm there. Like this just all over the place, but we're shopping today. It's a shopping spree. Okay. Family outing today. Teacher them want to come in and want to sit in bed. Which remember I pick them need to them to give me all kind of stress. You see them over there? Fear, stress.
I'm on a minor.
Stress. But yeah, I see you at Target. Okay. We're gonna grab a cart over here. Where are all the carts? There are no carts in here, Tanya. Tanya, come. No, we don't need fireworks. Come on. Alright guys, so we are here at Target.
And then we're going to the mall.
Yeah, after this we're
Then we're going home.
Yeah. Trying to see where to go first. Alright, up here first.
I want the blue.
It's Tristan up.
This is Daddy.
Come baby. I'm gonna go find my face products first. No matter look monetized over here, you know. You keep the edge straight. You understand? Keep your edge straight over here, so come. Don't look anywhere else. Don't look left, don't look right, just look straight. Okay? You hear me if you don't look now? Oh, panty feel. We don't need. Hey, just tell Tristan, keep your edge straight, don't look left, don't look right.
It's not.
Come.
It's not literally toys.
It's panty, they're all panties. Babes, over the boys, look and see if I see the church shirt for Tristan.
so cute.
So I wonder if we can find like a nice good dress for you in here. Come on, let's check. Let's check to see if they have any cute little dresses. No, to wear to church. No, there's nothing. These are all casual stuff. Come on.
Yay!
These are size 8. I like $8.99. Size 640. I wonder if should I get them in here so because she needs some under. But it needs size 5. Where are the size 5s?
I want this watermelon one.
What happened?
Watermelon.
Watermelon ones. No, darling. Oh, this looks so cute. Babes. This looks so nice, so cute. Go Marshalls, pick up more stuff. So cute. Listen, something make you want a baby, you know, but I rebuke you in the name of Jesus.
I'm still 5 kilos.
Come. I rebuke you in the name of Jesus. No baby around here. Alright, I see bras. In Marshalls and Burlington, I see some bra I'm gonna buy one time that has like the side, you know when you have just come on, son. That's like the side boob section, but I didn't see anything in Burlington. I was wondering if I could actually find them in here. I don't see them. Come. Let's go, cutie. Let's go, cutie. Let's go, cutie. Cutie patootie. Alright, we are in.
That's a walk.
Come.
That's a walk.
His name is The Rock. How many over here? These are Vagisil and stuff. Honey pots. No, we don't want you. We don't want you. We facial stuff.
You see on the app?
Uh-huh.
They have it here.
What?
This special thing.
Oh, this.
Can you have it?
We don't need all this right now.
Wait.
I was wondering if we need to get
Can you please have a blue?
we can get these at Marshall at Walmart, which is way cheaper than here. Come. I'm just getting the stuff that I know I can't get at Marshall at Walmart in here. Oh man.
I don't want to get this there.
Yes. There we go. So I buy like 4 of them here. 739 please.
Mama, is a lip gloss over there? Can I have my own?
Go on, let's go. I know I need a La Roche-Posay. Where are they? Oh, here we go. Then I'll have the smaller one. This is what I use, but I want the smaller bottle. And I have the small bottle. So I think I'm getting the smaller one from Amazon. What is that?
It's lip gloss.
How much is this? How much for it? Fine, so but it's the only thing you're getting. You're not getting anything else, okay?
Okay.
Just keep that in mind.
Oh, when I was at school, one of my friends had this lip gloss. One of my friends has this
That's what you want it?
No.
I'm looking for
Because I want my lip gloss.
this, but the cream. Okay,
Daddy.
so if I buy this dual, I'm looking for the dual action. Do I need to get all of this to get this, or this is still by itself?
Papa.
I think this is it. Dual action acne treatment. I think this is it. Dual action acne treatment, right? Yeah. So I need to get this. Alright, so let me double check what's on my list because I have the whole list and I feel like I'm not working with it. I got the cream. Now the wash I'm gonna have to get somewhere else. I got the wipes. Alright, we need to get a postcard, 2 outfits. I need 2 shirts for Tristan. I need to get also need to get stocking for your mama.
Oh, leggings.
Yeah, that's what I need.
It goes on my toes too.
So I need to get some thin ones.
Then,
Yeah, so you can wear to church.
where are they?
That's what we're looking for.
That's what you're looking for.
That's what we're looking
That's how you like. That's how you Like that's how you sound like.
That's how it sounds. That's what we're looking for. Oh my god. Oh my god.
You can make that sound.
Let's see. We can go around this now?
Anything? What's
No. We gotta go around this and then go back. Where father them gone?
Go find.
And there's no church just in here, so hopefully we can find something on Walmart because we're not seeing on just like thing for Savannah in here. Hold on, we need to get the stockings for you. Come over here. Alright, I see socks. Oh, stockings. Stockings. 7 to 10. Here we're... Ooh, this is cute. We got the black and the white one. Let's get this one over here. So this one looks nice. Can it fit? 4 to 6.
I want this.
This is
Let's put it in the
nice.
cart. Where's the cart? Where's the cart, Mama?
That's all we need.
Where's the cart?
Look at this just in case.
Where's the cart, Mama?
How is right over there, mommy?
Pass it to me. And then big goblet. Are you serious right now, Mama? Give it to me. Look, it's connected to this.
Like everything dropped down now.
Everything's
You know
connected
what?
to
We wanna do this. Right here. Everything dropped down, guys. Try to fix it up, then everything just dropped down at the same time. We got the stocking. We need the socks for Savannah. Come on, let's go find them now. I'm not seeing a church just for you in here, so. Where are you at? Guys, let's go see if we can find. Hey, don't leave me. Let's go see if we can find a shirt for Tristan. Over here, sir. Come here, sir, first. Come. Over here, sir.
Oh my gosh, someone's doing my back.
They look small. My baby says. These are our kid says, so let's see.
Let's go. I pushed the cart.
Go push Tristan.
Where is he?
Hold on, this is the only thing? Hold on, see. So these are like really the only... See that mirror. See that mirror. See that mirror.
You know we find you?
Oh,
Heard the body.
the body.
Oh, look now.
I'll be a
So-
baby says, me see
So
here.
the white t-shirt theme, I'm gonna get you one.
Walmart, yeah. Alright guys, so finished with Target and we're heading on to Marshall's. My head is hurting, we feel annoyed, too much noise and confusion. But we're heading into Marshall's. I have a $50 gift card and I forgot it downstairs, so I'm gonna go back to the car to get it. And then come back and greet. I don't know why I feel so flustered, and I don't know if I'm really sick from before. But can you open? I hate elevators. I'm going back to the car and get it. I can remember which way we park. I feel so flustered and stuff, so like, I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna go get it and then go back upstairs. Let's find them. Somewhere. Tristan, the answer can't fit you? Babe, you think the answer can't fit him?
I don't know why I don't use that way.
The answer can't fit him, Tristan.
No, I would never wear that.
Once the answer kind of stroke my head sometimes, I'm not answer. What you? What are the over there, so let's go to the
I can talk now.
I'm looking at that.
No one know how big,
Come on,
no one know how
let's
big
keep
it is.
What?
You come in a one pack, one pouch.
What is that?
The charger, I'm gonna talk to you about. The portable charger.
I mean, I wonder how big it is.
Because you look like you come in a one pouch. It's a 3 times faster.
See, I don't need nothing too big.
No, but
How much for it?
29. Me just buy.
They're hot here. You think I get so hot for Tristan? I'm not, I think I just stroke my head sometimes. That was so a nice Adidas one here. I'm not know if they can fit in. This. Or if I look for,
Yeah, I would wear
Take a
this.
Put it on your
I would wear
Take up here and put it on your
this any day of my
or it's supposed to look for one of my say youth.
Wallace.
Yeah?
Alright, fine.
I want to that brown one here.
Let's see. Nah.
No? Alright, so our next one I bought this one. Alright, so I snap back here.
I see, man. I want me have them already.
Okay. That can fit in?
My feet are really
Adjustable, you know. Hold this Tristan, adjustable. This one I'm gonna do that look back.
And that me there to look for. What that?
Tell me banana.
You have one shirt to go with that, you know.
It's not bad.
How much for them, by the way? But like, where the car order pick up?
It's $9.
Listen, put this around your neck, or next thing you leave it in the car. I don't know why you keep carrying out all these things and then pack them up on me.
So you have that one there.
So you don't need two brown ones.
Which two brown one? No, man. This one on the put back.
Which one I put back?
This one. Let me see it.
No, this is some banana one.
No, man, this one put back.
My reflexes are being soft.
So now it's already that's like fear one.
Put this back.
This one I look. So one.
So,
Tristan, you prefer that one or that one there? Come look.
a black and brown, right?
See which one I prefer.
It's like more like dark green.
Oh yeah, I will go this one. That one.
I prefer this.
Come on, let me see this.
I prefer this over that.
Let me see it. Just put it on. See.
I prefer this over that.
No man, this may make it weird. I mean, the strap up in me better. Alright.
Double.
This is a same thing like what you have. Awesome. Not all like them Adidas either. That are Adidas.
But me show man, when I say you never like it. I'll check this myself. We need a cart. And go by the section of Tristan.
So you're the first to know.
I see me can't find a shirt that was a very guy with my shorts.
We'll finish with Tristan first and then we'll go down with Sophia. For the wedding?
Yeah. No. Why?
You can do it for the funeral. Oh, this is cute.
For me?
Yeah, 1999.
Is it for me or you?
For you. This is so cute.
I think this is gonna be
to go to the beach, Debbie. You have your own beach bag.
Yeah, this is gonna be cute.
Put it on. Yeah. You want it?
Yes.
Go to the beach?
Yeah. I call it.
Alright, come this way. So, it's cute, right?
Well, wait, are those glasses new? Yes. Actually, where did you get them? I want a pair. Where did you get them from? Somewhere on the rack?
No, these are actually from Shein. Yes.
Oh, are you pretty? Thank you. You're welcome. Oh, two people.
Yeah, you're drawing crowd around here. Yes, baby. Oh, let me do this with this. Put on this.
This is so soft.
My name is something drop off. So nice beach shot. So Tristan. All this with Tristan. So we can find one more beach shot theme. Alright guys, we finally come out of Marshall. It is now 3:05. We have all these plus a Target bag and Burlington. We're in. I'm just tired and frustrated. My head hurt me. And if I come in, it feels sick already. But like, I just want to go home. And we still have so many steps to make. I'm just done with the day. I've been up since 5 o'clock and I'm just done. This big old bump stand up on my face upset me. Alright guys, we're heading to the mall. We'll see you then.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing.
All the way over here.
Yeah, I know. Alright guys, we are at the mall and I wish this was our final destination, but it is not. So after this, we're gonna go to Walmart and I may also go to the BJ's because I need something over there as well. This is what West Farm.
Try to be a joke.
Okay, but I'm so tired. I want to go home.
How about you do it
I want to
tomorrow?
sleep. But anywho, it is what it is.
Why can't you do it tomorrow?
I'm going to do my nails. So guys, we also have a maintenance vlog. Oh, first of all, if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Like this video, comment under the comment section, and share. Right?
Bye.
That is it. Alright guys, let's go. That is it. Right, Louise?
Why?
That is it. Yes, baby, come on.
Take them with you so you can see what you
Don't run. Yeah, I
on the camera so I can see what Let me hold on. I got.
I don't need to break it.
I'm not breaking. I know.
Alright guys, we're going into the mall. First place we're gonna go into Apple because Troy has another computer that he wants him to look on. Then we're gonna go in Bath and Body Works and Aeropostale, and I think that's it. I think that's all that we're gonna do because we got most of the stuff that we wanted.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher.
Let's pull the top. Careful, might I break it.
Smell it.
Come on, listen. Alright, we're in Bath and Body Works. Let's go get some. Hi.
Hi, beautiful. I'm Miss Diva with your cute plastics.
We're gonna smell some candles, right? Smell that one. You think that smell nice? Smell nice? Nah, I don't like that. You like that? I know I'm gonna love these. So I'm gonna get all of this.
Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it.
No, I don't want those candles.
I'm gonna smell it.
Wait, we're gonna find out these candles. I want some vanilla ones. See, 50% off everything over here. There we go. 50% off all these candles.
Smell the watermelon one first. Up there. Don't smell it. I'm gonna smell it. First, because I'm the one. Let's keep it. Can we keep it? Let's try to get rid of it. It makes me feel. It smells like.
Nice,
It
right?
smells like the bubble gum. What's this one next? I'll open it. I'm gonna smell it.
No.
Coffee.
That's coffee.
Take it.
No.
I want this one. This one. I want this one.
Yeah, this one's nice.
Keep it.
Like,
Oh, this, I smell it also. No, it's not this one. Oh. Where's not this one? I think this is gonna smell like bananas. It smells like the cookie food we buy all the time.
which one? This one? Okay.
Kind Ew.
Come on, you want something?
I want one out of you.
Come tell daddy.
I want one of the watermelon thing too. And also one of these.
I got something to Aeropostale as well. got 2 bags. We spent too much money on people going home. We still have Walmart and freaking Famous Food. So I am done. I am spent too much money. Careful, it's some sugar or something is there. I want to go home. Look when it's I should have done now.
Till I'm on top. I'm always flirting with pain. She like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me, but they hate from inside. You see, hate themselves in society, so I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen open.
Go. Show them the walk. I can't go sir. I can't go on the shoot door. I gotta hurry up. Okay, I gotta go on now. Show backstage. I got a road.
A backstage.
Arts girl. Where you gone? Hi. White sneakers. That's what I want. When Famous Footwear guys. Always the last sneakers, you know. White sneakers with Tristan.
I want to wear these.
Yes, I want one of that for you. More one of that for you.
I love these.
More one of that for you. Look for it says.
Oh man, it's a size 10, I think.
It's an 8.
It's an 8?
But this is mine 8.
Can I try it on?
Come over the kids for it. Try like this? No. The shorter one, no, it's for Tristan. And I plain white I might have about. The one when I have it top high top and that's all.
Yeah, but I got the one there for wear. With the high top, I them I want to wear.
With that any shorts?
Yeah, them I wear. Them the one they wear, no, the high top one.
It is good. I like this one. Can I try it on?
Done.
Yeah, I could rock in those.
Mama.
Those are the Air Forces, right? Yeah, these are Air Forces. Let's go.
Mama. Where's my size of shoe? My size shoes is 2.
Sit on it.
Hey.
The one else. Come sit
Yeah, I
on.
can actually rock in these.
Hey, your white's not take time when I'm putting it.
I'm not going to do it like that.
You know, so the season, check out the slippers.
Yeah, I want some slides. I want some more slides.
You see the white
Yo,
one I
come
showed you
around,
on Vesta? The white one.
White one.
The Nike.
I want some different
Another
slides.
tag one, a different thing.
Five, those are two. That is it.
Stay.
That is it.
That is it.
Right, Louis?
Right?
That is it.
That's oh, my white one is the one that's
Come look at the girl out here over here. Come on.
what was this?
Let me try it on. Which feet does it go on?
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket.
Alright guys, we're in Walmart. I'm looking for like
Guard.
this. Not seeing anything. Or like a little floaty thing. Listen, oh, we need some wipes. Hold on. No, not the facial balls. Maybe just regular wipes. I need a body wash for you guys. I don't see it. I'll be in a body wash.
How do you get this?
So they're gonna look like this. You got this?
It's for you to touch. For
The
me?
tube like this.
Is this for me?
I have the armbands. I want the live vest though. And just some more water shoes for you. Alright, so we want to grab some towels. Which one of towels I want? You want to choose 2 towels each?
Yeah, I want this.
Of course you do.
You're so out of my box.
So that would be this color.
Yes, I want that.
Oh, no, this match this. This one you want?
Yep.
So take out one of that.
I want some auto ones.
You know what? I need to something first. Reach to go there something.
Let's try that pants. You need help or I'm gonna go. Guys,
We're
done.
going home now.
We're going home now. We didn't get every single thing that we wanted. We got most of it. We're not going to the hair store today. Oh, the light is lighting. We're not going to the hair store because I'm tired. It is, what time is this? What time is it? It is now 6:28. I can't start unless I hit the brakes, babes. So guys, it's 6:29. No, we're going home. I'm tired. I've been up since 5 o'clock. I've been walking since around 11 o'clock. I'm tired. I just want to go home. I'm getting frustrated. So tomorrow, we're gonna do a different video because tomorrow we're gonna start the maintenance vlog for the vacation. So tomorrow is when I'll be able to grab the additional stuff while I'm on the road. You guys will see that. Okay. So I'm gonna close off the vlog now. You can see everything that's in the back. Or you know what? Wait, we're gonna reach home and showing everything what we have. I'm not gonna do a haul, but you'll at least see what we have, like the amount of stuff. So sure, right now, you know, but in the Walmart stuff them in a bag. He's just putting them in the additional in the bags that we had before. So I'll see you when I get home. Okay. My suitcase is here. Finally reached home, guys. It is now 10 minutes after 7. We are finally home. We are done with the day. So I want to show you just a bit of
I'm unpacking with you, you know.
a lot of stuff. It's dark, but it's a lot of stuff. Anywho, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment under the comment section, and share. And until later, guys, bye.
Come here, say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.